Okay, so welcome to the second video of the onboarding tutorial, where in this video, we're actually going to be covering integrations once again, but not the integrations we covered in the Launchpad area in the first video. This time, we're going to go to head down to the settings section here on the bottom left, okay? And as you can see, what we have here, if you check in on integrations, are very similar settings for integrations, but in more detail than we had in the Launchpad area earlier. So if you connect your Google My Business, you will see it here, but that's not all that you can integrate with Google. You can also connect your Google Ads account right here in this tab by signing into your Google Ads account. And then under here, under this Facebook and Instagram tab, you can sign into your Instagram, pick the Facebook page that you're integrating, and most importantly, pick the Facebook ad account that you want to integrate as well. Because when you connect your marketing to BeeSavvy, it will take your business to the next level. We also have a QuickBooks integration, as you can see, and even a Shopify integration if you're running an e-commerce store. So if you have a Google Ads account or a Facebook's Ads Manager, and you're thinking about running any type of marketing, because later in these videos, we're going to show you how to run your ads properly and connect them to those text messaging automations to make them work 10 times better. You want to connect them right here. If we head back into settings, let's head back over here real quick. What you can then do is come down to the reporting tab down here. You can actually see all the success of your Google and your Facebook ads. Now, of course, this is just sample data, but once you connect it, you'll be able to see everything that you've done in the past and everything that you're going to do in the future, in a very beautiful and simple display that anyone can look at and manage accordingly, as you can see. So once again, if you're going to be running any type of online marketing, please make sure that these two are integrated, or at least that one, so that you're going to use and get the most out of your marketing efforts from our system. Later in the course, I'm going to be showing you some of the templates that have been proven to work very well for both Google and Facebook ads. Anyway, that's all for now. I'll see you on the next video.